are here at Kluang, Malaysia. We are heading to the mountain at Lambak today. Hey guys, this will be our breakfast. What's inside?
Nasi lemak.
Breakfast time before we climb the mountain of Lambak. Today. Hey guys, so right now we are walking to Mount Lambak. So it's called Gunung Lambak. So it's my first time to climb up here with some of my pro colleagues. So we just started. They're right there behind. It's gonna be a journey. Alright guys, so this is just the end of the cemented area, and then my friend told me that this is just the starting point for us to climb up there to the top. So that was just a warm-up. Alright then, let's do this. Step on that. Yeah. It's like a staircase on a tree. Roots. It's another way there. The benches. Oh, behind me I can see a group of people. They are in green and in red. Some benches over here. And this is the plain area after climbing up the steep. And obviously the weather is like cool. Singaporean says it's cooling. This is a resting area over here. Morning. Are we going this way? Alright. Morning.
Remember this tree we take photo? Yeah, this is not a big tree, but this is the starting point.
Alright.
Okay.
This is not a big tree yet. Not yet. But we will take a photo.
Photo.
That's huge, guys. You can... I will try to hug the tree. Okay, we'll take a photo. Pit stop. I think this is the pit stop area. People are taking photo over here with that background. Obviously, you can see that there's a big signage over there. It says Gunung Lambak, which means Mount Lambak. Time check, it's 8:45. Done photo taking with a group at that signage. So starting 8:45, we're gonna start walking again all the way up. Which way are we taking?
Oh, because there's a split, right?
Yeah.
There's a split in front.
Do they know the way? Hello.
Correct.
Okay, we're taking the right way. Thank you. Welcome. Wow. Alright guys, you got to be very careful over here. I have to hold the roots of this big tree. Whew. That's it. Time to stop this camera. I have to get myself calmed up. Wow, I'm gonna hold this. What a challenge. Yeah! Oh, knees. Oh, knees. Stay strong. Oh. Careful. Push the butt. Can. Don't trust in holding the stones. It might roll on you. Whew. Wow. Careful.
Okay.
Yeah. What the heck? Really super challenging now. This is like the normal way of climbing up. I thought we have get rid of this steep area, but this is even more. You got this branch that's blocking the way. I gotta stop my camera now. They're right there. My other colleague is up there. I'm in the middle. Gosh, it's so challenging. Oh, you're gonna have to hold the roots over here. Obviously, it's good to wear hiking pants. It's good to bring gloves. Actually, some youngsters over there. Say hi! Jayu, Jayu! Yeah! 100 plus? Inksam? Drink? 100 plus? Oh, she have. I have drink. Mickey is there. The sticker is there. And somebody's towel is left over here. There. It's very useful. So I don't know where we are exactly, but we could be at the middle, we could be at the top end, but just resting. I can feel the breeze and literally can have a view of the city down there. I'm not sure if you can view it. First experience climbing up this very tough and challenging pathway to the mountaintop. The training was just at Kitty Hill in Singapore. Tayo! Almost there! Wow, I showered with my own sweat. I can see light on the tunnel. That this is not a tunnel! Jenny wave! Almost there! Tayo! Tayo! Oh! Oh gosh, we reached! Wow, such an accomplishment.
We're here.
Jayu, Mickey! Yeah! Where's the flag? Wow, such a nice feeling. Oh no! Can't believe it! I can see a lot of people around here. Oh. Okay. Wow. Amazing. Nice feeling. Those are the youngsters who went up before us. Such a nice feeling that you're on top. Here at Mount Lambak. Gunung Lambak. And now we have to descend. So descent time will be about 1 hour. The route that we took was the steep route. It took us about 1 hour plus to reach the summit. But if you want to have the nice and wider route, it will take you 2 hours plus. This time, let's go down. We're heading down.
Very fast one, never count one. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Slowly hold the rope. It's an earthworm.
If you touch it, it will turn to.
We will turn to around. Right? Actually, it's quite fast one.
You say you want to turn, ma?
Turn, turn.
Ah, 1, 2, 3, go.
Go.
Wait. Wait, so cute.
So cute, huh? Protect himself.
Protect the head.
Go to the head.
Bye, worm. Bye, worm. We carry on. Such an accomplishment, man. Oh boy, time check is 10:57, so we wanted to reach the last part, the end part at 11 plus, so we can change at the hotel.